Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to play Doom VR on your Oculus Quest 2. First, you will need a personal computer and the original Doom game files. Next, download and install Side Quest onto your computer. Remember to enable developer mode on your Quest 2 headset. Finally, connect your Quest 2 to your computer using a USB-C cable. These initial steps are crucial for a smooth setup. Now that your headset is connected, open Side Quest on your computer. Search for Quest Z Doom and install both the main application and its dedicated launcher to your Quest 2. This process usually takes only a few moments. After installation, put on your headset and launch the Quest Z Doom launcher from your Unknown Sources section. Running it once creates essential game folders for the next step. With the Quest Z Doom launcher initialized, it's time to transfer your game files. On your computer, find the original Doom WAD files such as Doom, WAD, or Doom 2. WAD. Then, using Side Quest's file manager, navigate to your Quest 2's internal storage. Locate the Quest Z Doom folder, open it, and then find the WAD subfolder. Copy your WAD files directly into this WAD's folder. You're almost ready to experience classic Doom in virtual reality. First, safely disconnect your Quest 2 from your computer. Next, put on your headset and navigate to your app library. From there, select the Unknown Sources filter to find the Quest Z Doom application. Launch it, and you will be able to select your game and any desired mods. Prepare to immerse yourself in the iconic world of Doom.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.